Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your Wix website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your Wix website editor. Look for the plus button. That's how you add a new element. Click it, then select Embed Code and choose Embed HTML. A box will appear in your selected section. In the Custom Code area, paste the link you copied from Virtual Pools. A preview of your tool will appear. You can give this section a title if you'd like, and move it around anywhere on your page. Camera access is not supported on Wix, but they can still upload an image from their gallery to personalize their pool preview. When you're finished, hit Publish to make your changes live for visitors. And that's it! Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your Wix site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.